This is Max. Today, we follow him for one whole day, from morning to night. Listen and learn. We will speak slowly.
Good morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Stretch, stretch.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. We use at with time.
First, I drink a cup of hot tea outside. Ah, lovely. Then, Tina and I exercise together. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Exercise every morning. It makes us strong and happy.
First, and then, tell us the order of things.
After exercise, I eat my breakfast. Fruits and yogurt. Yum, yum. Next, I take a quick bath and get ready. Which shirt today? The blue one.
Get ready means to prepare for the day.
I go to the office by bus. I like to look at the city.
We use by for transport. By bus, by car, by train.
At the office, I work on my computer. So many emails. In the meeting, we have a big question. Let me think. Aha! I have an idea. Great meeting, everyone.
I have an idea. We say this when we think of something new.
At 1 o'clock, I eat lunch. Then I work some more. At 6 o'clock, I go home. What a busy day.
What a busy day. We say this when we do many things.
Welcome home, Max. Do you want some tea and cookies?
Yes, please. Thank you, Tina. I love our tea time.
Now let's cook dinner together. You make the soup.
Okay, and you make the vegetables. We are a great team.
Let's cook together. Let's means we do it together.
Dinner is ready. It smells so good.
After dinner, we wash the dishes. You wash, I dry.
Splash, splash. Cleaning is fast when we work together.
You wash, I dry. Sharing work makes it easy.
Now I make the bed, nice and neat. Time for bed. I am tired, but very happy. Good night.
Great job listening. Let's remember 3 phrases from today. 1. I wake up at 7 o'clock. 2. I go to the office by bus. 3. What a busy day. Good night, Max. Practice these phrases every day. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.